How to get Whataburger working promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Whataburger promo codes and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. You can just scroll down and check out the websites. For now, I'm gonna open this one. Once you open it, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. Whataburger is an American regional fast food restaurant chain headquartered and based in San Antonio, Texas that specializes in hamburgers. Whataburger is more than a burger chain. It is a place that feels like home to more than 50,000 employees called family members and billions of customers. It's a brand built on pride, care, and love. It's a place people count on in their communities. If you're interested in any of the offer, all you have to do is click on it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code. Now you can copy this coupon code. Now you can head towards the website of Whataburger, and when you check out, you can apply this coupon code. I have selected 25% off. So here are tons of great deals. You can choose any of these. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily get Whataburger working promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.